Lecture 1. Is it better to observe or experiment? One political scientist from the Ohio State University decided to answer the following statistical questions. Do negative political ads turn voters against the political processes so that they are less likely to vote? Or do negative political ads energize voters so that they are actually more likely to vote? To proceed further, we have to define randomness. Given a finite set of numbers, a random choice gives each number the sample probability of being chosen. When the randomization is used to assign experimental units to treatment groups, the experiment is called a randomized trial. A random sample of voters was chosen for either the treatment, negative ads, or the control group, no ads, in 2003 mayoral election in Florida. Individuals in the treatment received negative campaign ads. Factor. Factor is the explanatory variable in the experiment. In this experiment, the factor is whether or not the voter received negative campaign ads. Treatment. Treatment is the value of the explanatory variable. In our experiment, the two treatment groups are received negative political advertising and did not receive negative political advertising. Experimental units are the cases for an experiment. Florida voters were the experimental units. Let's consider another scenario. A researcher wants to know whether footprints of a Bigfoot and an ape-like creature who supposedly was seen at several places on the planet as big as rumors say. He goes to Siberia to collect the samples of footprints and measure them. The investigation is an observation. In an observational study, the researchers simply collect the data as it is. There is no any treatment. Often, observation is conducted when it is hard or impossible to do an experiment. Cases and observations are called observational units. In summary, experiments involve treatment, factors, and experimental units. Observations have no treatment and involve observational units. Randomness is associated with the same chances of being chosen. We will learn more on this topic next week.